Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you how I make this quick, simple and delicious okra soup. And if you like to know how I made this, then please keep watching. So in here I have already washed cow foot, cow tripe, which is shaki, and goat's meat. To cook the meat, I will season with some salt, crushed seasoning cube and chopped onions. I will add some water, give it a quick stir, then cover to cook for 20 to 30 minutes. And in here I've got some okra already washed. And I'll go ahead to chop this okra with a grinder. Another option, the okra can be blended in a blender roughly, or how you prefer it. And to all my subscribers and my viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much for your support. Also, I have Scotch bonnet pepper, red bay pepper, blended crayfish, bonga, and fresh mackerel fish. And while the meat is still cooking, I'm going ahead to add the fish. Next, I will go ahead to add in the washed bonga, which is dried fish, the roughly blended pepper, and the blended crayfish. Then I will give it a quick stir. Add the red oil, then cover to cook. So after a while, we go ahead to pack out the fish because I don't want it to scatter. You know, in that kind of situation when they will be asking you what happened to the fish, did you even use fish to cook this food at all? Because everything they will just scatter inside the soup. So next I will add the okra. And if today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. Please consider to subscribe and join the family. Subscribe, okay? Thank you. So at this point I tested it, there is not enough salt, so I go ahead to add a little bit of salt. Then I will go ahead and add the fish, and I will leave it on a low heat for 3 minutes. Now okra soup is ready. So guys, tell me, what are you going to eat with this soup? Is it pounded yam? Is it fufu? Is it a bar? So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share and leave a comment, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.